Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to set the pin code on DREAME Roboticmover A1. So first, click the stop button right here and hold the power on button for 2 seconds. Okay, and I'm back. So first we need to do is select our language. So English, here you select, and yes. Now set the pin code. You do the same for every number. So 1, 2, and when I forgot, I put on 4 and I wanted to put 3, then just go to 0 and 1 to the left. Now 3, 4, and confirm. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.